Hey friends, today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Mughnee. This special name means the Enricher, or the one who makes rich. But what does that really mean? Well, it means Allah is the one who gives us everything we need and so much more. He's the one who makes us rich in all the ways that matter. Think about all the amazing things you have in your life. Your family who loves you, your home that keeps you safe and warm, the food on your table that fills your tummy, your toys and books that make you smile, even the air you breathe and the sunshine that brightens your day. All of these wonderful things come from Allah, Al-Mughnee. He's the one who provides everything, and He never runs out of blessings to give. But here's something really cool. Allah doesn't just give us things we can touch and see. He also enriches our hearts with love, kindness, and happiness. He gives us friends to play with, talents that make us special, and the ability to learn new things every single day. When we feel grateful and content with what we have, that's Allah enriching our hearts too. So what can we do to thank Allah for being Al-Mughnee? First, we can say Alhamdulillah, which means thank you, Allah, for all our blessings. We can take good care of the things He's given us. And here's something super important. We can share with others. When we share our toys, our snacks, or even our smiles, we're spreading Allah's blessings to everyone around us. Remember, Allah Al-Mughnee loves to give, and He wants us to be grateful and generous too. So next time you're enjoying something wonderful, say thank you to Allah. And when you see someone who needs help or kindness, share what you have. That's how we show we understand this beautiful name. May Allah always enrich our lives and our hearts.